Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to use this Rocco and Roxie stain and odor eliminator. So it does come in this nice big bottle. You're going to take the cap off and we got to open up that seal. Okay, so cut that seal off. And then we've got the spray bottle. Now it doesn't smell super bad. It has kind of a minty maybe odor to it. Now there's an X here. It will not spray out. You've got two spray patterns. There's another X. So you've got a bigger stream, like a mist, and then you've got a stream pattern. Now it says you want to test this on a hidden area first. If you're going to spray this on carpet, maybe do it under a couch or something, let it sit for a little bit and then wipe it off. If some of your carpet color comes with it, you're not supposed to use it anymore. But for new stains, spray on the stream setting, apply a liberal amount, let stand 30 to 60 minutes. Then blot with a cloth and let air dry. For a deep stain, you may have to pour this on as a concentrated, take that off and pour a little bit more on. Then you can use like a carpet cleaner to vacuum it up after it has sat for, you can let it sit for 1 hour or longer. Now you can also spray this, so say you've got something you want to put in the laundry. You can spray the affected area, let it sit for 30 minutes and then machine wash. So I've got this carpet here with an old stain on it. I'm going to see how it does. I've got it on the spray pattern. So it does come out pretty good. And then again, you'll see it sort of taking an effect. And here's the mist pattern. So this might be for like a laundry or a misting area. But we can see it's definitely going, it's doing something. I'm going to let that sit for a while and then you just simply blot it up. Probably good to stand on it. Yeah, we can see it did start to take some of the stain out. Yeah, it definitely got some of this old stain out of here. I could have let it sit a little bit more. Now I could take a carpet cleaner or a spot cleaner and go over that really quick with some water just to kind of rinse it. It does have a little bit of odor to the actual spray. I think that's going to go away with time. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.